Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to merge two shapefiles into one using ArcMap. Shapefiles are a popular format for storing geographic data, and merging shapefiles can be useful for combining multiple layers of data into one file. In this tutorial, I will show you how to merge shapefiles step by step. Before we get started, you will need to have ArcMap installed on your computer. If you don't have it already, you can download it from the Esri website. You will also need two shapefiles that you want to merge. Make sure they are in the same projection and have compatible attribute tables. To start, we will use the merging tool in ArcMap to merge the shapefile. To prepare the shapefile for merging, we will need to make sure they are compatible and have the same projection. Let's take a look at the first shapefile. So going to first shapefile, which one is water 1, and right click on that and go to properties. Now go to source, and here you can see that projected coordinate system is WGS 1984 UTM zone 42 north. Click OK. Now go to shapefile number 2, which one is water 2, and right click on here and go to properties, and here you can see projected coordinate system is WGS 1984. Great. It looks like both shapefiles have the same projection. Now we need to make sure they have compatible attribute tables. Let's take a look at the attribute table for the first shapefile. Then here click OK and go to water 1 and right click on this and go to open attribute table. Now here you can see that uh, here field name, what name, and what which in which water is glass. Now go to second one and go to water 2 and right click on this and go to open attribute table, and here you can see that there are three different fields. uh, First name, and second shape length, and third one is shape area. Okay, these two attribute tables have some similar fields, but they also have some differences. Now that our shapefiles are prepared, we can start the merging process. To do this, we will use the merge tool in ArcMap. Let's walk through the steps of merging the shapefiles. Step number 1. Go to Arc Toolbox, and here you can go to Data Management Tools. In Data Management Tools, go to Journal, and then here you can go to Merge Tool. Now here you can select two different shapefiles which one you merge. So click on drop down arrow and click on water 1 and then click on second shapefile. Okay, now second step is output dataset. In output dataset you will select location where you create a new shapefile, it is merging shapefile, and you can go to default. Now third one step is click OK, and here you can see here merging shapefile is created. Now you can go to converted graphics merge and right click on this and go to open attribute table, and here you can see that the shapefile is merged. Here you can see 4 classes add in one shapefile. Here you can see that all features are added in one shapefile. In this tutorial, we have learned how to merge two shapefiles. Thank you for watching.